Hey fam, what's good? It's good. I hope that you're well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing day. Welcome back to another one where we're gonna find ourselves trading this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq. Okay, so I haven't done my analysis just of yet. Literally just came to the charts right now, and you know what? I'm gonna walk this whole analysis with you guys, and yeah, let's see what Nasdaq has in store for us. 4 hourly time frame, you know what, we are quite bullish still. 2 hourly time frame is showing us somewhat of bear momentum right there. Right, H1 time frame, you know what, we are quite being structure as well, but I can see that we do have some relatively equal highs over there. So this is already indicating that I might see some lovely longs opening up. Right, so what I'm gonna do now is just get that midnight candle and just go down to my 50-minute and get out 8 o'clock. Where's 8? Where is 8 o'clock? Right here, boom. And where is 8:30? Also lining that up right there. Right, like these areas is basically like a intraday area to where I like seeing an actual high or low being taken out. I'll explain that now. Right, so this is some nice equal highs. Those are also the daily highs right there. Right, so my daily low will come through somewhere over here. Maybe can go on the 1 minute time frame. Right there, we can basically see that the low was taken out right there, with us having some relatively equal lows right there. Right, and our daily low is coming through right there, boom. Okay, right there, so that right there is my daily low. So all I'm now doing is literally just waiting. All I'm now doing is literally just waiting for 1530 to arrive. Right, since price is inside a discounted area, I would like to see us having some lovely longs. Right, potentially back into our equal highs right there, which is also lining up with our daily high. Right, even if I can maybe do this and zoom price in, there you can see that we have some nice relatively equal highs. Right, buy side liquidity right there. So you know what, price needs to take out that region right there. Guys, don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe button as well. I will highly appreciate it. If you are looking for a trusted and regulated brokerage, XM will be your brokerage. Right, the link will be in my description. Okay, so we currently do have run about 5 minutes, we can say, for 1530 to arrive. So let's be patient. I want to look for some lovely long opportunities. It's kind of strange why we don't have any momentum. Okay, boom. Now we can see some displacement wanting to open up. I want to see that high being taken out. That one right there. And then I want to see price create a fair value gap so that I can go long. I'm not just going to wait for price to close above and then long. No, I want to see the fair value gap. I want to see the fair value gap. Right, so let's see if this candle can give us the fair value gap. Because if this candle is going to give us that fair value gap, this is where I'll be going long. Okay, stops right there. Aiming my 1-to-2 ratio, just like that. High is being taken out, pattern is being confirmed. So now all I'm waiting for is that push down, and I'm long. I am long. We can reduce our risk Stars should be below the candle which created the fair value gap, which is this down close candle right there, basically where it started. So now I can just remove that, right? And we can basically reduce our trades just like that. Clean stuff, clean stuff. So now all we wait for is the pullback, and we buy. Pullback and we buy. We're long. Let's wait, let's wait. Let's wait, let's wait. You know, when price is doing this, right, running away with the actual entry, don't stress. Don't stress. Just wait. Wait for price to come back. Right? Because keep in mind, like, this is literally an impulsive move towards the upside. So now you're just waiting for that correction, and now you're gonna take price long. Now you're gonna take price long. So you just wait and be patient. Okay. So now let's wait. We can see that we created a fair value gap over there as well, right? One way on how you can basically be like, which one I'm gonna take. Get out your foot from the low to the high, wait for price to come inside a discounted area, and you can see that this fair value gap is basically lining up, right? So I'll be going long from that one right there. Okay, trigger finger ready, trigger finger ready, trigger finger ready. We're gonna go long, we're gonna go long. Trigger finger ready. We just wait for the tap. I am long. I am long. I am long. And literally, this is the part, you know what, this is trading. You know, the part where you just have to sit on your hands and wait for your trade to play out, right? Because guys, keep in mind, once you have the system, right, you do the necessary backtesting on your side, right? You gather all the information you need, right? And once you have all the information you need, you will be so much, how can I say, you're gonna be more calm when it comes down to your actual trades, right? Because you trust it. You literally trust your system. So boom, currently we are back in a drawdown, right? Perfectly normal, perfectly normal. Drawdown is perfectly normal. Right, check this out. We have a nice swing low right there. Right, swing low right there, which we are currently taking out. So if we take out this high right there, right, price is not coming back to entry. We are all the way up. We are all the way up. So let's wait. So let's wait. We're back in drawdown. Well, in more drawdown at least. In drawdown. We're in drawdown. We're not gonna stress about it. Let's go to the 2 minute. Let's see what's happening over here. Look at 3 minute. Have like a nice inversion fair value gap right there. right? So price shouldn't close below this region right there as well, right? So I can remove that. Now check this out, right? If price is gonna find itself taking out this high right there, check this out. This low was taken out. Now we are taking out the high. So if there's another fair value gap that is gonna be created inside this region right there, right? This simply means that that could be another actual entry for you to go long. Okay, so price is literally telling you a story. It's literally telling you a story. All you have to be as a trader is literally just be patient and let your setup play, right? Let the setup play. Because entering off an actual fair value gap, right? This candle where it all started, right? You don't want to see price take out this candle, because if price take out this candle right there, right? Even if it is just with a wick, this simply means that we are gonna have some more downside momentum, right? Or there's a high possibility that we can have more momentum towards the downside, right? So rather save yourself by having your actual stops at this low of the candle right there, right? Because you don't want to see price basically closing below that candle right there. Okay, hope that is like some valuable insight. Okay, we are back in some beautiful profits. We are back in some profits. We are back in some profits. So let's be patient. Let's be patient. Guys, don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button right there. Won't hurt you. Okay, won't hurt you. Also, you know what, that will help me, or not help me, but motivate me to push out more content like this, right? Because as you guys can see with my latest or recent content which I've been uploading on my YouTube channel, it's more just like, it's this right here, but not with me, right? Not with me basically talking, going with you guys, or taking you guys with me on this actual trade whatsoever, right? So yeah, it will help me or motivate me to do it more like this, more like this. So clean stuff, clean stuff. Let's wait. Just like I made mention, guys, if price taps back inside that region right there, that's literally another entry for you, right? That's another entry for you. But I'm not gonna take another entry though. I'm not gonna take another entry. What this is also telling me is the following, right? Even if price is gonna find itself coming down inside that fair value gap right there, guess what? I don't want to see price come down this candle right here, because can you see this is basically with this this green candle right there, this up close candle, that's where the fair value gap basically started, right? So what does that mean? That simply means if price is gonna come lower, this low right here, right, this simply means that, you know what, it's an alt trade for me, right? My actual yeah, you know, it's an alt trade. I will get my stop loss hit. I will get my stop loss hit. So what you can find yourself doing is literally reducing your risk, just like that, because you don't want to see price come down there, just like I made mention. So now let's wait. Alright, so we are almost at take profit, almost at take profit, almost there, almost there, almost at take profit. let's wait. Let's wait. You know what? You guys were literally with me on this actual trade. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have taken away a lot from it as well, right? Or if it's not a lot, I hope that it is one or two things you took away from the session. Because at the end of the day, we're here for educational purposes only, right? You guys know we've been out here doing our thing for the longest. Take profit, smack. You know what? I am happy. I am calling it an actual day. Let me take a nice screenshot and basically send it to the community as well, right? Clean. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. It's me, your boy D. I'm out.